Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A4 B8 number plate light. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and completely turned off. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and your new replacement light unit. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. This simple task can be done at home with minimal tools. Now, let's remove the old light. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the existing number plate light housing. It should pop out with a little pressure. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect the electrical connector. Take a moment to inspect the wiring and the surrounding area for any signs of damage or corrosion before proceeding to the next step. With the old light removed, it's time to install the new one. First, connect the new number plate light to the electrical harness. Make sure it clicks securely into place. Then, gently push the new light housing back into its opening until it sits flush. Before fully securing it, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Great job! To finish up, double-check that both of your number plate lights are illuminated and functioning as they should. Also, ensure the new housing is securely seated and won't vibrate loose. This simple maintenance helps keep your vehicle compliant and looking good. For more helpful tips and product recommendations, remember to check the description below for links to other great deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.